Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. O karon mga higala adto tag nursery kay magpalit ta og mga tanom-tanom sa garden. Palit ta og kanang kamatis, sili og unsa pa atong makitaan. Gamay-gamay ra to paliton kay natamnan naman ang garden diha sa mga seeds. So ilang ra ka buok atong paliton niya og palit po ta og gamay nga grocery sa tindahan. So tara mga higala, banimi. Okay mga higala, og nana ko sa sakyanan unya mo balhin mi sa laing sakyanan kay palit og ganang bark para sa among tugkaran kay bati na kay tanawon. Ang among tugkaran. So ang uban diya okay pamutangan na kami nanay wala. Hey, we're here now. And there's daddy. He's getting ready. Okay mga higala, padulong nami. Yes. Here there is the nursery. There's the bark. How many bark can it? 3? 2. Na pa din mga bark, oh. See?
Is that bark or dirt?
There is the bark.
Let's have that tractor pull stuff back again.
How about in here? There is. There is here. The plant in there, so many. Sayuds.
Is this where we got our trees?
Yep,
Every single tree?
all the plant we plant there, Ajay, here.
Every single one?
Or maybe in Home Depot.
Home.
There is. Nabot na mi din here. Look at that car. It's what you call, RJ? Camaro. It's a brand new. Welcome to nursery. There we go inside the nursery in here.
The smell of ginger.
And now ni dagang kay bulak diri.
Top 10 best smells.
Look at this car, RJ pickup.
Another one down here. And it's like decorations.
Look at these flowers in here.
Those other stuff.
Flowers. Here. I have nothing now here. Oh no. Only here I guess. Yeah. See?
That's the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Only this here. Haba. Little bit. Tomato, RG. Oh, have this chili, RG. What's that? Bell pepper.
This is tomatoes.
Yeah. Only little bit.
Ace.
What's this in here? It's special.
What are these things?
So kani yung palit ni ano, Tabasco.
Get into Tabasco?
95 cents. Wala na eh mga
What is it?
look at sa una puno kay na diya karon wa na empty na. Yeah. Have no more. Okay, we go now to the other side.
This is yours. Take it.
Yeah. Look at these flowers. It just grow this after winter. They just grow.
So you want one of these?
No, I not want that. Nice color, RJ. And have here. Here now, in outside.
Look at the bird.
Where's now the fruit tree? Yeah. Look at here. Yeah. We not know if have fruit tree here, RJ. Look at here. Yeah. Have berries that look like a tree and not know what they call.
Raspberries?
Yeah, raspberry. Like that. What's in here? Sky, pencil, Japanese.
Every single place that lives around here better go here.
Oh, be careful! Look at this tree. What's this tree? Oh, this I like. Cherry, that I like. How much?
Oh, I want a cherry tree.
I like this cherry. This I want.
I see a cherry in there.
How much this cherry? Maybe so expensive this. Maybe 100 plus.
What's this
Hmm?
$59 for this?
Yeah, 59.98. So big, huh? What this? Cherry. Huh?
Stuff.
Have other two. What's that? Apple?
Probably. I want a cherry tree.
Look at this. What's this?
What's this tree?
Look at this. Have a fruit. Oh, see, RJ?
This is cherry.
Yeah, cherry.
Want a cherry?
It's
Hey,
so
look,
big.
Look.
Look at this. Have a fruit now, RJ. Look.
They're cherries.
See?
I'm going in. Can I go in?
No, don't go there. It's not allowed there. This is how much this tree? It's 59. Still 59.
They're all 59.
Yeah.
Ow. What are these?
What's this?
Ain't tell me.
Look like
It's a
apple.
tree, purple prince.
A purple prince.
Maple.
So expensive this tree.
Maple.
Almost 100.
These
So-
trees. What are those trees? Oh, look at these trees.
Yeah. What's that? A fruit? We not our picture not like that. Okay, we go now. It's so expensive. We not buy.
There's still more trees. I want to look at the other trees.
Okay, we go. Okay, we go here. See, have a fruit now.
There's our
What is apple tree?
apple.
What's this? What do you call this? Apple? The 59 to. A green apple.
Green apple?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at all these apples.
Yeah.
Oh, they're delicious.
Look at the. How very delicious in there.
They're golden.
Yeah.
Probably behind us.
Yes. Have a fruit now. RJ, nice this because already have a fruit tree. How much this? Ah.
They're all 59.
Here is.
You want to buy this tree?
It's a 59.
You want to buy it?
No, we not want to buy.
Raspberry.
Red berry. No, have no more now. Okay, we go now, RJ.
Behind you.
Okay, we go. No.
Go fast.
There is other fruit tree here. See? Here we go now because it's time, RJ. We close RJ later. RJ, come here now because 5 minutes more. Now we go now because we have no time. We go now. Come here now here. Okay, we go now. This is time to close. So we go now, RJ. It's 5 minutes. Okay, we go there. We just we go in here. Okay, turn up. There is no. It's not the right tomato. Have trees, eh? You know, RJ.
Oh, 3 different types?
There is
What's this?
aloe vera, honey.
What's this?
Tabasco.
Chili. Okay, you know, RJ. And here is the
Pepper.
bag of
These
bark.
are we need to
How much was this?
You get now already, Daddy.
$12 a bag.
My goodness.
36 bucks.
Okay, we're gonna. Nice, the black honey. Why brown you got?
'Cause that's what we have.
There is. Okay. Apart. Wala ning ibalik. Okay, we're here now in Winco. Palit o gamayng grocery.
Hey, look at that green car, Daddy.
Oppo.
Lime green car.
Chrysler.
Okay mga galag na nasa sa gawas. Wala ko mag-video sa sulod kay pagkagtawag. So, naroon na nga ako ang napalit. Wala na sila very daddy. Naroon Haji, your iPad, Arby.
Now I tried to sit there. I did
Just put it there.
right here.
There you go. Okay. Now inside. $22, RJ.
22? $22?
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's not a sanitizer.
Happy to us. You like that, Daddy?
Yeah,
I'd rather
There you
all the
go.
way out to the coast.
Go to Arby's for daddy.
Chick-fil-A.
lunches.
Yeah.
I was supposed to have it 4 for $10. It's $2.50 a piece.
Yep. There is. But the tree is so big. So tall the tree, RJ.
Flashing light.
Parking in there. There is Charlie's
Car wash.
car was so big, huh? Look at that.
It's all electric.
Yeah, electrical for Tesla. But in the other side, I cannot see.
Les Schwab tires. Don't you like Les?
There is Arby's.
Daddy, do you like Les Schwab tires?
Yeah, we repaired there too.
Yeah, because of the, remember the flat we got
Yep.
in school?
And there is big sign of Arby's.
Arby's.
There you go. Amazon car. Delivery. 7-Eleven.
To take the worry out of your
And
retirement.
Arby's.
This is Lyle Boss at the SMI Financial Advisor and President of Boss Financial. Your host.
Hey, Daddy.
Roast beef, the 4 roast beef sandwiches for $10.
Look at this house, so big house in here.
What do they call it again? The home?
Bottle home?
Freedom home.
Parade of homes. Yeah, right. 4 homes. You know that guy Lincoln? Parade of homes.
What is a
Yeah.
parade of homes?
Custom built.
That people you want to look at are
People
they
get
that
tickets to go visit all the parade of homes. Could be
to
like
look at
100
the
100 homes around the area.
look at the house inside. What's look like?
But that was when it was new.
Why are they paying to look at houses?
Good ideas.
To see, look at if what's inside.
Just go inside for free.
Free.
Well, they had a gate.
Okay guys, that's it our video for today and see you next time. Bye.
Daddy, go.